Hello everyone, welcome back to my video series on learning German for beginners. In this lesson, you will learn how to introduce yourself to others. In this chapter, you will learn few new sentences. Just remember that you have to listen to me and repeat. Sich vorstellen means introduce yourself. Let's begin with the name. Ich heiße Ram. Please repeat after me. Ich heiße Ram. That means my name is Ram. Just remember here, beta sign has a sound of double S. Another way to say your name is Ich bin Ram. Noch einmal, Ich bin Ram. This sentence generally used among friends and family and for the people you already know. The formal way to say your name is Mein Name ist Ram. Noch einmal, mein Name ist Ram. That means my name is Ram. Let's repeat together all the way of saying your name. Ich heiße Ram. Ich bin Ram. Mein Name ist Ram. All the three sentences have the same meaning. Let's come to your surname or your last name. Mein Familienname ist Müller. Noch einmal. Mein Familienname ist Müller. That means my surname is Müller. Whenever there is a long word in a German, please split them like Familienname. Next, ich komme aus Indien. Noch einmal, ich komme aus Indien. That means I am from India. Here you can replace the country name to your own country. Now let's come to the place you live. Ich wohne in Delhi. Noch einmal, ich wohne in Delhi. That means I live in Delhi. Here you can replace Delhi with your own city. Ich spreche Deutsch und English und Hindi. That means I speak German, English and Hindi. And now the next part is how you can tell your age. Können Sie mir sagen, wie alt bist du? That means can you say to me how old are you? The answer is Ich bin 24 Jahre alt. That means I am 24 years old. Let's talk about your profession and what you do. If you are male, you say Ich bin Student. And if you are female, you can say Ich bin Studentin. As you noticed here, student is a masculine form, Studentin is a feminine form. And next example is Ich bin Lehrer or Ich bin Lehrerin. Ich bin Lehrer for the masculine form, Ich bin Lehrerin for the feminine form. Let's move on to the marital status. That means Ich bin ledig. That means I am single. Noch einmal, Ich bin ledig. I am single. Or you can say Ich bin verheiratet. That means I am married. Noch einmal, Ich bin verheiratet. That means I am married. I have keine Kinder. That means I have no child. Und ich habe ein Kind. That means I have one child. Noch einmal, ich habe keine Kinder. That means I have no child. Or ich habe ein Kind. That means I have one child. Let's come to hobbies. Mein Hobbys sind Musik hören und Fernsehen. Fernsehen bedeutet to watch movie. So in English, my hobbies are listening to music and watching TV. Noch einmal, mein Hobbys sind Musik hören und Fernsehen. This is the common sentences you generally tell about yourself. Just learn the sentences as I suggested in this video. We will soon come to the grammar portion. I hope you like my video and the knowledge which I have shared with you. Please click on the button to subscribe and like my video. Danke, auf Wiedersehen, cheers.